A dark storm is raging. Suddenly, a bolt of lightning strikes the old oak tree. Flash, the world turns white for a second. Crash, the heavy branch breaks off and falls right in front of the shed door. Oh no, the animals are trapped inside. Just as quickly, the storm passes, the sun breaks through, and a beautiful double rainbow paints the sky. The door creaks open. The monkey and friends peek out. They see the rainbow and sigh with relief. Everyone is safe. The brown bear steps up. With a mighty grunt, he lifts the massive tree trunk. Look at that incredible strength. Teamwork time. Monkey and pig rush in to clear the smaller branches, while the bear holds the heavy log steady. The fence is broken. Monkey grabs his hammer and nails. Tap, tap, tap. He fixes the slats in no time. Painting time. Monkey dips his brush in white paint. He carefully coats the wood to make the fence look brand new. Whoops! Monkey swings the brush too hard and splatters paint right on the bear's nose. The bear looks so funny. Monkey wipes the paint off, and they both burst into laughter. Friends always have fun, even when working. They walk into the apple orchard. The trees are full of bright red apples, ready to be picked. What a sight! Monkey sets off the ladder against the tall tree. He grabs his basket, ready to climb up and start the harvest. Up he goes. Monkey picks the shiniest apple he can find and polishes it on his overalls. It looks delicious. Oh no, he reaches too far. The ladder wobbles dangerously. Monkey loses his balance and starts to fall. Down he goes. Monkey squeezes his eyes shut, scared of hitting the ground hard. This is going to hurt. Catch! The bear catches him safely in his soft arms. Monkey opens one eye and smiles, safe and sound. The basket is overflowing with red apples. The sun shines through the leaves on a perfect harvest day. In the kitchen, Monkey rolls out dough while the bear peels apples. They are making a delicious apple pie. Monkey piles the apple slices high into the crust. A sprinkle of cinnamon and sugar makes it sweet and tasty. Into the oven it goes. Monkey sets the timer. Now they wait and watch, smelling the yummy aroma. In the garden, Monkey admires a purple flower. He leans in to smell it. Nature is so beautiful. Looking good, Monkey smiles, proud of his garden. The sun shines brightly on the colorful petals. In the workshop, Monkey sews a patch onto a straw hat. He is focused and careful with a needle. This will scare the birds. He puts the hat on the scarecrow. Now the garden vegetables are safe. Success! The scarecrow stands tall. Monkey poses with his creation as a butterfly flutters by. In the woods, the friends spot a beehive. They huddle behind a rock to make a clever plan. Monkey explains, "We make smoke rise up high." He gestures with his hands, showing them how it works. Then the bees will fall asleep. Monkey pretends to sleep. Pig and bear nod, ready to help. Monkey dives into a pile of autumn leaves. He gathers them up, having a little fun while he works. Scooping up leaves, Monkey grabs armfuls of colorful, crunchy leaves. He is focused on the mission. Bear collects dry sticks and twigs from the forest floor. He carries the bundle easily in his big paws. Pig arrives with a metal bucket. I have the bucket. He looks so proud to be part of the team. They dump the leaves and sticks into the bucket, mixing it all together to make the perfect fuel. Spark! Monkey strikes stones together. A tiny flame appears. He blows gently to help the fire grow. Fire! Smoke starts to billow up from the bucket. Monkey looks pleased. The plan is working perfectly. It's working. Thick wet smoke rises. Bear and pig cough a little, but give a big thumbs up. Monkey walks the smoke toward the hive. Here comes the sleepy cloud. He whispers to the bees. The angry buzzing stops. The bees look confused and sleepy as the smoke surrounds their home. Sleepy time. The bees land on leaves and close their eyes. Zzz. The coast is clear. Honey, golden and delicious, dripping from the comb. The friends watch with wide, hungry eyes. Yum. Sharing is caring. Bear breaks off a chunk of honeycomb to share with his best friend Monkey. Let's go before they wake up. Monkey takes the honey and they hurry away from the hive. Safe on a log, the three friends sit in a sunny clearing, ready to enjoy their sweet reward. Monkey takes a big bite. Honey drips down his chin. This is the sweetest honey ever. Pig licks his sticky face. Sticky, but yummy. He looks so happy as a butterfly flies past. Walking home, they head back to the red barn, full and happy. That was the best adventure ever. Monkey enters a peach orchard. The trees are full of giant, fuzzy pink peaches. He looks up in awe. Up he goes. Monkey climbs the tree trunk effortlessly to reach the fruit high in the solid branches. He expects a peach, perfectly ripe. With a twist, he picks the juicy fruit from the branch. Basket full, Monkey sits on a high branch with his harvest. He looks very satisfied with his work. Taste test, Monkey bites into a peach, just drips down. He is delighted by the fresh, sweet taste. To the village, Monkey walks under the welcome sign, carrying his basket. Birds fly in the blue sky. The market is busy, animals are buying and selling. Confetti falls, making it a festive day. At the stall, Monkey stands ready to sell his peaches. A white rabbit comes to buy some fruit. Fresh peaches, Monkey hands one to the rabbit. The rabbit looks very happy with the quality. Payment time, the rabbit gives Monkey a bag of gold coins. Sparkles appear. It's a magical sale. A dog customer arrives. Monkey offers him fresh red apples straight from the orchard. Try these. Thank you. The dog takes the apples and pays. Monkey waves goodbye to another happy customer. Counting coins, Monkey stacks his gold on the counter. He is thrilled with his success today. Saving up, Monkey puts the coins in his pouch and smiles. Financial success feels great. In the kitchen, Monkey peels peaches for baking. Now for some delicious peach treats, he thinks. Making jam, Monkey stirs the bubbling orange pot. The sweet aroma fills the kitchen. Canning time, he pours hot jam into jars and seals them tight. Winter treats are ready. Making a pie, Monkey weaves strips of dough over the peaches. It looks like a masterpiece. Out of the oven, the pie is golden brown and steaming hot. Done to perfection, says Monkey. To the treehouse, Monkey climbs the rope ladder at sunset, balancing the hot pie carefully. Relaxing on the deck, he puts the pie down and sits in his comfy red chair. Time to relax. A warm slice, Monkey lifts a piece of pie. The fruit filling stretches. He takes a big bite. So sweet and warm, Monkey enjoys the pie as the sky turns orange and purple behind him. Sharing with a friend. A bluebird lands and Monkey offers it a piece of crust. Here you go. Night falls, the moon rises and stars twinkle above the treehouse. A peaceful end to the day. Big yawn, Monkey is tired. Tears form in his eyes. Time for bed, he thinks sleepily. Lights out, Monkey turns off his mushroom lamp. The room goes dim and cozy for sleep. Sweet dreams, Monkey snuggles under his quilt. Outside, the farm is quiet under the full moon. A sunny walk, Monkey and Fox approach a round stone tunnel in a grassy hill. Hill lives here. Hello, a cute hedgehog opens the round door. He welcomes Monkey and Fox into his home. Cozy inside, the burrow has wooden furniture and colorful rugs. Monkey looks around anal. In the kitchen, Hedgehog is cooking. Pots are steaming on the stove. It smells delicious. Cookies. A jar of chocolate chip cookies sits on the table. Fox licks his lips hungrily. Sharing time. Monkey offers the cookies. Hedgehog takes one while Fox waits eagerly for his turn. Yum! Hedgehog takes a bite. Crumbs fall as he gives a thumbs up. Delicious. Fox eats elegantly on the sofa. He looks very satisfied with a sweet treat. Bedroom tour. Hedgehog shows Monkey his cozy room with a patchwork quilt and lantern. Jump! Monkey bounces on the bed, laughing. It is so much fun. Hedgehog watches, amused. Treasure. Fox inspects gold coins and a pocket watch on the table. He looks very intrigued. The library. Sunlight streams through the dome. Books and a telescope fill the room. Reading time. Monkey sits in a chair, squinting at a tiny red book. So many words. Spin the globe. Fox spins the world on the desk. Hedgehog watches happily. Magic cave. Hedgehog shows Monkey giant blue mushrooms. They look mysterious and magical. Glowing touch. Monkey touches a mushroom, and it glows with blue light. He is amazed. Red berries. Outside, Fox spots bright berries and reaches out to pick one. Stop! Hedgehog warns him. Those are for decoration only.
Those are for decoration only.
Secret passage. Monkey pushes a loose brick and the hidden door opens up. Cool. Temptation. Fox looks at the berries again, holding his stomach. He really wants to eat them. Warning again. Hedgehog wags his finger. Fox looks sheepish holding his bag. Into the tunnel. Monkey runs in, waving back. I wonder where this goes. Stone corridor. The friends walk together, guided by Fox's lantern light. The observatory. A magnificent room with a glass dome and a golden telescope. Wow! Stargazing. Monkey looks through the telescope. He is amazed by what he sees. Too short. Fox tries to look but can't reach. He jumps in frustration. Comfort. Monkey pats Fox on the shoulder. Friends help each other feel better. Goodbye. Hedgehog waves from his door. Monkey and Fox wave back. See you soon. On the road, Monkey pulls a cart of carrots. It's a beautiful day for a delivery. Crash! The wheel hits a rock and shatters. Carrots spill everywhere. Oh no! Dismay, Monkey looks at the broken axle. This is a big problem. He worries. Idea! Monkey pulls out his phone. I'll call for help. He taps the screen. Calling for help, Monkey dials the number, hoping someone can fix his cart. Bear answers. In his garage, the mechanic bear picks up the red phone. Explaining the problem. My wheel broke. Monkey explains. Bear listens carefully.
Don't you worry, Pee-Pee. We'll fix it.
Rescue arrives. Bear pulls up in his red truck with his toolbox. Monkey is so happy. Tools out. Bear opens his kit and picks a wrench. Monkey watches nervously. Worried Monkey, we need these carrots delivered. He points to the broken cart. Don't worry. Bear passed the cart. He is confident he can fix it. Hammer time! Bear straightens the axle. Bang! Bang! Monkey hands him a bolt. Tightening up, Bear uses the wrench on the wheel. Monkey helps with the bolts. Finishing touch that should hold it. Bear wipes his hands. Monkey is impressed. Thank you. Monkey offers a fresh carrot to Bear as a reward. Delighted Bear, he accepts the carrot with a big smile. Thank you, Monkey. Reassurance, Bear eats the carrot and tells Monkey the cart is safe now. Spin test, Bear spins the wheel. Good as new, it works perfectly.
Hey, now that will pay.
Happy Monkey, he claps and jumps. Perfect, the delivery is saved. Hooray, Monkey cheers. Bear laughs. They celebrate their success together. Thumbs up, you're good to go, says Bear. Monkey climbs onto the cart. Ready to roll, Monkey sits on the carrots, checking his cargo one last time. Waving goodbye, Monkey drives away. Thanks Bear, he calls out. Bear waves back, standing by his garage. He watches Monkey disappear down the road. In the orchard, Monkey and Fox stand under apple trees in the bright sun. Picking apples, Fox hands a red apple to Monkey. Great teamwork! Loading the cart, fill it to the brim, they say, placing apples carefully. Heavy load, they strain to pull the cart, heavier than
it looks.
At the cottage, they arrive at Bear's cute house and knock on the door. Hello Bear, he opens the door, wearing a green hat, delighted to see them. Unloading, let us help you, they say, handing baskets to Bear. Storing apples, they carry baskets inside and start stacking them on shelves. Stopped up, the pantry shelves are full. Bear nods in satisfaction. Reward time. Bear gives Monkey a jar of honey. For your hard work. Hungry Fox eyes the honey. Monkey smiles. We can share. Goodbye. They wave to Bear as they leave the cottage. See you soon. Fishing trip. Monkey walks to the blue river with his rod. Setting up at the dock, he prepares his hook with a worm. Cast away, swish, splash, the line goes far into the water. Waiting game, Monkey sits on the dock, watching the bobber float. Hello Frog, a green visitor jumps on the lily pad. Ribbit. She, quiet, you'll scare the fish, Monkey whispers to the frog. Bite, the bobber dips. I got one. Monkey grabs the raft. Reeling in, it's heavy. Monkey grunts as the rod bends. It's a boot. Splash! Monkey is disappointed. Just an old soggy boot. Emptying it out, a minnow falls from the boot and swims away. Sigh. Try again. One more try. Monkey casts the line with determination. Big bite. The rod is nearly pulled from his hands. This is huge. The struggle. Monkey fights the fish, racing against the duck. Splash. Golden fish. He pulls up a large, shimmering fish. Amazing. Too beautiful. You are too beautiful to keep, Monkey says gently. Be free. Monkey releases the fish. The frog croaks approval. Rescue run. Monkey carries a chicken to safety in the rain. Covering up, bear and pig pull a tarp over the hay bales. Climbing in the storm, Monkey climbs ivy to fix a bending shutter. Thunder scare. A loud crack startles Monkey. He covers his ears. Drainage duty. The friends grab shovels to clear the drains. So, Monkey and Pig stand in the mud, then run for the barn. Safe inside, Bear holds the door open, then slams it shut. Relief dripping wet, they huddle together in the dry barn. Checking on others. Is everyone okay? Monkey checks the cow and chicken. Peeking out, Monkey wipes the window to see the storm outside. Drying off, Bear dries Monkey with a towel. Pig wraps in a blanket. Waiting it out, they sit on hay bales, watching the storm pass. Sunlight returns, the rain stops, and golden light streams in. What a mess! Monkey points at the mud. Pig looks determined. Dig and dig. Pig clears a blockage, enjoying the mud a little. Super strength. Bear lifts a massive log easily. Monkey claps. Fixing the fence, Monkey repairs a broken slat with a hammer. Good work, team. High fives all around. The yard is clean again. To the woods, walking down the sunny path for a new adventure. Into the forest, birds fly overhead as they walk away. Strange tree, they stop at an old tree with twisted roots. Beehive, golden honey drops from a branch. Bees buzz around. Loud buzzing, they cover their ears from the noise. Achoo, a bee lands on Monkey's nose and he sneezes loudly. Red, the angry swarm chases them down the path. Giant face, the swarm forms an angry face and roars. Hiding spot, they dive under a rock overhead, shaking with fear. Sheep, Monkey signals for silence as the bees fly past. Idea, Monkey mimics smoke rising. He has a plan. Explanation, smoke makes bees sleepy. Bear and Pig nod. Gathering leaves, Monkey quickly collects dry autumn leaves. Sticks too, Bear gathers dry sticks and twigs. The bucket, Pig brings the metal bucket proudly. Assembly, mixing the fuel in the bucket. Fire starter. Monkey strikes stones to spark a fire. Smoke rises. Thick white smoke billows out. Monkey fans it. Approaching the hive, monkey walks bravely with the smoke. Sleepy bees. The buzzing stops. They look confused and young. So, the bees fall asleep on the leaves, safe. Honey harvest. Monkey smiles at the golden honeycomb. Peanut roasting.
To roast the
Time
peanuts.
to roast. Monkey tells hedgehog. Stirring the pan. Steam rises. Hedgehog says, "Be careful." Delicious smell. Monkey walks the aroma. Smells good. Cracky nuts. Just a gentle squeeze. He shows the nut inside. Picnic. Eating peanuts on a blue blanket in the grass. Campfire chat. Remember the rain. Relaxing by the fire. Wise lesson. Hard work pays off, says hedgehog. Hooray for peanuts. Monkey celebrates with crates of nuts. Brushing teeth. Cleanliness is important after eating. Bedtime
Once
story.
upon a
Hedgehog
time.
raced to monkey under the quilt. Sweet dreams. Hedgehog tucks monkey in as he falls asleep. Good night. Whispering as the lamp goes out. Dream world. Monkey wanders among giant glowing peanuts. Flying high. Holding onto magical flying peanuts in the sky. Morning flowers. Standing in a field of giant blooms. Future plans. Pointing to the horizon in the peanut field. Goodbye, waving farewell to hedgehog on the path. Tractor ride. Monkey drives. Pig holds on tight. Bouncing along. Pig laughs on the trailer of hay. Jump. Pig leaps into the hay pile. Got it. More hay. Monkey tosses hay. Pig catches it. Rolling around. Pig falls and laughs. That was fun. Best accident.
The
Catching their
best
breath
accident
and laughing
ever.
together. Back to work. Monkey climbs back into the driver's seat. Scenic drive, passing wheat fields and a windmill. Home sweet home, arriving at the red barn and silo. Hello everyone, waving to the farm animals. Feeding chickens, pig scatters grain for the little ones. Feeding cows, pig gives hay to the big friends. Happy cow, chewing hay while friends lean on the fence. Clean stables. fluffing up the straw bedding. Comfy. Smell of home, resting on a hay bale in the afternoon light. Beautiful sunset, looking out at the orange and purple sky. Walking path. Let's do it again tomorrow, says Blake.
Let's do it again tomorrow.
Good chat. Tomorrow will be even better, Monkey replies. Night falls, moon rises, and fireflies appear. Home at last, arriving at their treehouse and cottage. Good night, standing at their doors, windows glowing warm. Final way, good night friends, stars twinkle above.